Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Frank Brock Art. I am your host, BrianFBroxton, and this is a place where everyone comes to relax, to see the whole artistic process going on. They get to work on their project. You can ask questions, things that trouble you about certain things that you draw. You know, hey, maybe I can lend a hand and draw some of those things for you and let you know how I figure it out. You know what I'm saying? But this is your home away from home, your favorite Black best friend that draws. So, hey, thank you for coming. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for liking and subscribing to the channel. And let's get into it. I know you guys have been like wondering, where is the Froggy Show? You know, what's going on with that? Well, today, here it is. Well, it's not done, but here is some of it, and it'll give you a taste of what it's going to look like pretty much. Well, just the black and white part, you know, the line work, but I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna do the color. It's gonna look nice, trust me. But you know, I just want to do, because I never practiced like doing black and white, you know, like lights and darks and stuff like that. So I'm kind of playing around with it right now, and then I'm probably going, I mean, it looks cool black and white, but I do want to do a color version of the Froggy Show, whatever, the comic strip. So it is coming, but I'm gonna lay it all out black and white, and then I'll come back throw in the color, because the color would be kind of easy, you know, or whatever. So, but anyway, enjoy. It's just a little bit here and there. It's not done. You know, some areas I still gotta go and fine tune the line work and stuff like that, of course. But at least you guys can get a little taste of what's to come. So, got a couple of little projects I gotta work on. I will show you that as well. I also want to do some animation too, man. I got to get to the animation part, you know. I think you guys really like, you know, when I start animating certain things or whatever. But anyways, thank you again for all my subscribers. Hey, it's finally spring. You can hear the birds chirping. You know, beautiful weather is coming. It's been raining a lot here, but yeah, but spring is finally here. So yeah, that means, you know, maybe some daytime shooting, whatever. But yeah, man, I think that's about it. Oh yeah, I'm slowly getting my Patreon thing and my t-shirt shop and all that stuff together. All this stuff takes time, designing, because I'm a designer as well. So I gotta, you know, make sure everything kind of mesh and look, you know, cohesive or whatever. But yeah, man, thank you for watching again. And it's a little short little piece, you know, but at least you can see what I'm doing and how it's looking so far. And I guess I'll catch you guys on the next time. Peace.